Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to explain why the add yours sticker is not showing up for you on Instagram Reels. The first thing to remember here is that Instagram just released the add yours sticker for Instagram Reels. So the fact that it isn't showing up for you, it's not a problem, it's just it hasn't rolled out for your specific country and your specific account yet. So if you go to Instagram Reels and then you tap the camera icon at the top right, and then you record something real quick just as a test for this specific YouTube video, and then you tap on preview. If you tap on the stickers icon right there and you're not seeing the add yours, its chances are that it's still in the testing phase and it hasn't rolled out for your specific account yet and your specific country, because when Instagram releases new features, they don't release it worldwide to everyone all at the same time. What they do is they select specific countries first, they test it within those countries, and then if the people like the feature, then they roll it out to more and more people. So a few things that you can do, or pretty much the only thing that you can do, is to simply wait for that update to hit your Instagram account. So you can go out of the Instagram app, open up the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, go to Instagram in the search bar and search for Instagram, and if there is an update, then you want to make sure that you update your Instagram app to the latest version. You can also set up your account to have automatic updates, so whenever the update releases, it will automatically update. I do have videos on the channel that will show you how to do that on Android. So if that explained it for you, then go ahead and drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.